Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Is your Samsung Smart TV frozen, glitching, or not responding, and you can't find the remote? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Samsung Smart TV without using a remote. These methods are quick, easy, and work on most Samsung Smart TVs. Let's get started. Method 1. Power cycle reset. The easiest reset method is called a power cycle. This fixes temporary bugs, freezing issues, and black screen problems. Turn off the TV using the power button on the TV itself. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet. Wait for about 60 seconds. While unplugged, press and hold the TV's power button for 30 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. This soft reset clears temporary memory and often fixes common Samsung TV issues. Method 2. Use the physical TV buttons. If you want to perform a full factory reset, you can use the physical buttons on the TV. Locate the control button under the Samsung logo or behind the TV. Press the button to open the menu. Navigate to Settings, right pointing arrow, General, right pointing arrow, Reset. You may be asked for a PIN. The default Samsung PIN is usually 0000 unless you changed it. Default PIN 0000. After confirming, your TV will restart and reset to factory settings. Method 3. Use the Samsung SmartThings app. If your TV is connected to Wi-Fi, you can control and reset it using your phone. Steps. Install the SmartThings app on Android or iPhone. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Open SmartThings and add your Samsung TV. Use the virtual remote inside the app. Navigate to Settings, right pointing arrow, General, right pointing arrow, Reset. This method works great if your original remote is lost or broken. Method 4. Reset using a USB keyboard or mouse. Here's another cool trick. Many Samsung Smart TVs support USB keyboards and mice. Steps. Plug a USB keyboard or mouse into the TV's USB port. Use it to navigate the TV menu. Go to Settings, right pointing arrow, General, right pointing arrow, Reset. This makes navigation much easier when you don't have a remote. Conclusion. And that's how you can reset your Samsung Smart TV without a remote. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Smart TV tips and fixes. Like, subscribe, comment your TV problem below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.